Okay, good day. It's Roland of Rolling YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create local users in Windows 10. Let's say you wanted to add a member, one member of your family to access the laptop or your computer, or you want to give one of your friend an access to your computer. So in this case, you need to create local users so that they have their own desktop icon and they were not able to access all your files or all your desktop icon. So let's jump in and we're going to create local users using in Windows 10. So we're going to create now a local users in our desktop or in our laptop. So just to show you, we'll go to the start and then we'll go to this user Roland. So as you can see, I have only one user. So this is user Roland, or this is the administrator of this laptop. So we're going to create or add one user in this laptop, and we will give access to that user. We'll say let's say user 2. We're going to create a user 2 and then we'll give access to this laptop or to this computer. Okay. Okay, so first thing, so what we need to do is go to settings. So you can go to this icon, then go to settings, and then go to account, and then go to family and other users. So in this case, there are two options here. So your family and then other users. So the first option is your family. You can add one member of your family to have access to your PC, and the other one is the other users, wherein you can add your friend to have access to your laptop or to your PC. So in this case, I'm going to create one user in this laptop using the other users. So first things that you're going to do is go to add someone else to this PC. Just click add someone else. So it will take for a while, and then this portion, so I'm not going to add the email or phone number of the users that I'm going to add, but in this case, because sometimes I don't know the email of that I don't know the email of the user, or I don't know the email of one of my friend that I will give access to this PC. So I just click I don't have this person's sign in information. So just click I don't have this person's sign in information, and then we're going to choose. There are three choices. Use a phone number instead, but I don't know the phone number of the user, or get a new email address. I don't want to create a new email address for that user. And then the third option is add a user without a Microsoft account. So in this case, I will choose the third option, which is the add a user without a Microsoft account. So just click that one, and then in this portion, I will going to create a user for this PC. So the first uh, the first screen, we're going to type the username. So just like what I've said, I'm going to create user 2. So user 2, and then we're going to create a password, and then retype the password, and then you can just put a security question. So you can select any security question here. So in my case, let's say we're going to create this one, and then just put any answer here, and then security question number 3. This is one of the security of the Microsoft. So you need to create at least once you forget your password, and then it will tell you these three what do you call this one is three questions that you can answer, and then they will once you get the answer, then it will provide you the password. So we'll just create these three questions, and then click next. So once you put the user ID, the password that you created, and then once you forget the password, it will ask you for these three questions. So just click next, and then as you can see, I created already the user to local account. So I created the user to as a local user account. So if you go here in the start and then go press this one, now the user 2 has been created, and you'll be given the user 2 has been given access to access this laptop or this computer. Okay, so we will try to log in as user 2 in this laptop. Okay, now we're going to try to log into the local users that we had just created, the user 2, and we will see if we can successfully log in using the user 2 local user account. So I'm going to capture the display when we're going to log in, but I will be using the camera to capture the login that we're going to do, so that we can check if the user 2 has been successfully created and if we were able to log in to the laptop. So we'll try now. Okay, now we're going to log in as user 2. So this is the user that we just previously created. So we go to user 2, and then we enter the password that we created in our previous video. So I will enter now the password. So we'll try. Okay, so now I was able to log in as user 2. So the creation of our user account, local account, was successfully done. So if you're going to check it, just go here, start, and then go to user, and then user 2 is now logged in to the laptop or to the PC. So our creation of a user 2 account has been successfully created, and now the user will be able to log into your laptop or to your PC. So okay, so that's in the tutorial for this creation, how to create a local user account in Windows 10. So another way to check if you're going to see if it is successfully created, just go to computer management, and then go to local users and groups, and then go to users. So user 2 has been successfully created. So that's the other way if you are going to if you want to check your user if it is successfully created. So that's the end of our tutorial for how to create local users in Windows 10. Okay, so we've been successfully logged in to the user 2 account that we had just been created. So I think that's end the tutorial on how to create local users in Windows 10. You've seen that we have been created the user 2 account using the settings, and then going to the other users, and then we created the user ID, and then we created also the password, and then the security questions, and then we checked that user 2 has been successfully created in Windows 10. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, just click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will be updated on the upcoming videos that I will be creating. So thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.